guys, welcome back to my channel. Because it always does that. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay. You know what? I'll be back and find a better angle. Okay, so this is a really good angle, and I'll be teaching you how to make slime. So, I did this video a while back ago. Sorry, the TV is on. Okay. So I think I will do it again because, yeah, I will be teaching you how to make just slime. Okay? Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the things that you will be needing is a Tupperware to store it in and a mixing bowl. You can use the Tupperware that you're going to store it in to mix and to make it, and a mixing utensil, contact lens solution, and baking soda, coloring if you want, and glue. You don't need this much glue. So yeah. The first step is you are just going to pour in some glue. You don't have to pour a lot, but I'm gonna pour like that much, maybe. Okay, so I'm going to add in my blue food coloring, and yeah. I just added in 3 drops. You can make it any color you want. You don't have to make it blue. This is a really pretty blue. Blue food coloring is strong, so I don't recommend putting a lot. Sorry. I'm just trying to show you, and so I don't spill too. Here, I'm gonna. So pretty. Okay. So just mix that. This is really easy. It only takes like a minute to do. Okay, so okay, just add in a little bit of baking soda. Now you're gonna get your contact lens solution. See, I have a Lazy Susan. That's what it's on. So, now you're just gonna add in some contact lens solution. Just do about that much for now. And then keep adding it until it gets to the consistency that you want it. See how it's still like this? Ow. There we go. Now I just added in a little bit more, and I'm just going to keep mixing, not like that. See how it's like getting clumpy? Okay, I'll come back to you when this is all slime-like. Okay, so this is the finished product. So yeah, I'm just going to take it out, and this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. It's kind of sticky, but if you know how to play a sticky slime like I do, then it's my brother. Don't you dare. I know what you did last time. Don't you dare. Don't you dare get any closer. Are they gonna see you? He's my brother. If this video gets 10 likes actually, he will do a Q&A with me. If this video gets 14 likes, I'll beg him to do a Q&A with me of how much he knows me. I love sports. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. That's just my dad. He's cleaning the garage. Oh, that didn't really work. But good poppies, ready? Sorry. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye! Make sure to like and give this video a like and subscribe. Bye. Peace out.